looking frail. She lives down by the jail. Hot stuff for sale, why don't you do now? Like the millionaires do. Put your stuff on the market and make a million too.
So, concrete is in. We're about 45 minutes post pour. Still pretty tacky. So we're just finishing up. Get our finishing trowel, going in, finishing it. We're gonna get a brush on it, then edge it. So yeah, keep you guys updated. But that one's smooth. Our wall was our weakest point. I think it bowed out maybe 1/4 of an inch. But overall, got our concrete in there. Turned out not half bad. So gotta be happy with that.
She's a good looking frail. She lives down by the jail. Hot stuff for sale, why don't you do now? Like the millionaires do. Put your stuff on the market and make a million too.
Alrighty guys, so we just finished these up. Kind of regret that I didn't get a little bit more video, but when the cement truck shows up, you gotta get work done, so we didn't have time to really lay too much down for video. But we got our brush finish all set. I'm gonna have to go back and fix that right there. I just saw that little spot. But yeah, we got a nice brush finish. Our edges are all cut. Boards are done up real nice. These start at about 5.5 feet wide at the bottom, and then because of the setback at our wall, go all the way up to 6 3/4, 7 feet at the top. So yeah, nice wide stairs. Concrete actually worked out pretty good. We also got our wall in here all fixed up. We got LCCC, so me and my brother signed it, just so everyone knows who was behind it. 2020. We'll see how long these things last, but I would hope they'll be here for the next few decades. I would hope, at least. So yeah, looks awesome, I think. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna pop the drone up in the air and we'll get some cool shots of it and cool shots of some other stuff just to fill up the video. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Went as smoothly as one could imagine. Alrighty guys, we're just going through the process of stripping the forms. Turned out great so far. This wall is it does have a few more air bubbles than we anticipated. Well, I guess I shouldn't say anticipated, because I knew this wall was gonna be hard to pour without getting any air bubbles. We even vibrated it tons, and the form almost broke out because we vibrated it that much. So what we're thinking here is, I think on both of these surfaces, like the one that's gonna finish out here once we get that form off, and this here, we're gonna use like a veneer stone, put it on with some mortar, clean up the look and make it look really, really nice. So that's the plan right now. We're just gonna keep trucking along, get these forms off, and see how they come out. Alrighty, so the rain's coming down, so you get these covered up pretty quick, but end product turned out really, really nice. Brush finish on them, give them some nice texture. We got that wall. I'm thinking we're gonna do a veneer on a stone on this section, and that section will look really cool. I mean, the concrete looks nice too, but move that crowbar out of the way. Got our drain poking through there, so we're still running water. But yeah, turned out really good. We got that back form off still, but these are huge. Enormous. So some nice pavers up here, pavers down there. It'll look awesome. Alrighty guys, we have some pavers, a whole bunch of Class A, and a whole bunch of dirt to move. So originally I was just gonna slope this off of the stairs here. I probably raised about 7-8 inches, I would say, maybe 9, up to those stairs there. So instead of doing that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this all level right up to the stairs. We're gonna do a hollow granite stair. I shouldn't say granite, it's a concrete stair. It's precast, but granite's the color, so yeah, it's gonna go right there. The other thing is, I don't know if you can see this, but if we put this level on here, way out of level, so this stair has to come up like another 3 inches. So yeah, we're just getting the excavation done all by hand. Obviously the favorite way for everyone to do it, get a good old pick and a shovel and go at it. But yeah, we're gonna knock that out, and once that's knocked out, we'll get the Class A up here, get it compacted, and hopefully start to get some pavers down today, because that would be awesome. It is freezing out here, and I want to get this shit done quick. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll throw a time lapse on now so you guys watch us struggle to dig this out.
She lives down by the jail. Hot stuff for sale, why don't you do now? Like the millionaires do. Put your stuff on the market and make $1 million too.
Alrighty guys, got all of our digging done for the day, I should say. Filled all this in by the wall, getting ready for some sod to go down there. Sod. A little late for sod, but I mean, it'll still go down fine. It likes the cold. Went down really far up here because we're gonna do I think I already mentioned, we're gonna do a step right here in stone up to the 2 wooden ones. Just chucking some gravel up here now. Got Jackson out here helping me. Say hi, Jax. He loves sitting on top of piles of gravel and just rolling around them, just getting full of crusher dust. Don't ask me why, but sure does. So gonna keep hucking some gravel up here, and that'll probably be it for this video. In the next one we should be good for pavers. Alrighty guys, so this is where we got for the day. Should be getting dark here in the next little bit, but we got our base laid down, kind of screed it out nice and level. We need to tamp it still, so we get the plate packer in and run this over a good couple times. I would imagine it's going to drop a couple inches, so then we will add more gravel, plate compact again, get our final grade. We got our Shaw brick. We went with the 3 sizes. It's a little hard to tell because we got all the same size on the top on this one, and then you can see there's a smaller. So we got our, I believe these are the port stone. Those are the terra stone and old stone. So the old stones are the little tiny ones, but they're small 8x4s. We get the assorted size, so looks nice. So yeah, we'll be trucking on that tomorrow, but that'll end this video. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys. If you leave a comment with what you think down below, or any comments that you have regarding the video, any tips, tricks that you got, love to hear them. Also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, because that absolutely lets YouTube know that we're doing good stuff over here on this channel, and it's worth other people checking out. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, especially you guys that tuned in all the way to the end. So take care, and we'll see you in the next one, which will be Wednesday.